It's Saturday, March 31st. I'm in the garage and I'm going to be starting my GPz550. Started this project back in September 2013. It's almost laughable. I didn't start it really till December of that year. But today it's back together and it's kind of had some problems over the years. Some of you know, some of you don't. But I just want to do a quick walk around before I start it up, so you can have a look at it, what it looks like today, the day before Easter. So I'm going to have to put my phone down because I can't record and start at the same time. So just bear with me. Had to turn up the idle so I didn't have to bother playing with the throttle. But you can kind of hear it's kind of idling pretty good, considering it hasn't run in a hell of a long time. Kind of think the only thing I need to do is to sink the carbs and it should be ready to roll. Sure, it's going to be the terror of the neighborhood because the Yosh pipe kind of barks pretty good. Thankfully this time no weird noises from the crank. Nothing weird happened as far as valves, spark plugs, or anything else. So hopefully I'm feeling pretty good about where it's at right now. Looking around the garage, see a bunch of other KZ and GPz parts still kind of hanging around. Still looking for that Srsupertrap 4-into-1. Because I don't like the Yosh pipe and the lack of access to both the center stand and the oil filter. But there it is, it's running, so I followed through.